Creating ad campaigns using the Power Editor. There is another awesome way you can create Facebook ad campaigns, and that is by using the Power Editor. This right here is what is known as the Power Editor. The Power Editor is a tool designed for larger advertisers who need to create lots of ads at once and have precise control over their campaigns. To access Power Editor, you'll need to go to www.facebook.com/ads/manage/Power Editor in the Chrome browser on a desktop computer. If you don't need to create hundreds of ads at once, we recommend that you use the ad creation tool I have been showing you during the previous 10 videos. The Campaigns section can be displayed in 3 levels: Campaigns, Ad Sets, and Ads. You are able to search by campaign name, ad set name, ad name, campaign ID, ad set ID, and ad ID. With the Clear button, you can clear all the view of your campaigns. You can also filter the view by several options. You'll be able to see the stats for the lifetime of the campaign, for the last 7 days, yesterday, today, and custom. You can even decide what to show. If you want to create a campaign, you can do so from here. You'll be able to create any of the 10 campaign options from here. You can also create an ad set for an already created campaign, or you can create an ad for an already created campaign as well. As you can see, the Power Editor is another awesome option you have to see your actual ad campaign results, as well as create new ones.